Hey, how's it going?
Not bad, just waiting for the bus. You?
Same here. Where are you headed?
I'm going downtown to meet up with some friends. You?
Just going home after classes. How's your day been?
Pretty good. Had a productive morning. Yours?
It's been okay, just a bit tired from all the lectures.
Yeah, I feel you. These early mornings can be rough.
Tell me about it. But hey, at least the weather's nice today.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Makes waiting for the bus not so bad.
Definitely. So, any plans for the weekend?
Not much. Just gonna relax and catch up on some Netflix. You?
Probably the same. Maybe hang out with some friends.
Sounds like a plan. Oh look, here comes the bus.
Finally, let's hope it's not too crowded.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
So, have you heard about that new cafe that opened up downtown?
Yeah, I saw it the other day. Heard they have amazing pastries.
We should definitely check it out sometime.
Absolutely. I'm always up for trying new places.
Same here. Maybe we can go there next weekend.
Sounds like a plan. Oh look, the bus is almost here.
Finally, I was starting to get impatient.
Yeah, seems like it's running a bit late today.
Well, as long as it gets us where we need to go.
True that. So, how's your family doing?
They're good, thanks for asking. How about yours?
All good. Just the usual hustle and bustle.
Yeah, family life can be hectic sometimes.
Tell me about it. But hey, it's all worth it in the end.
Definitely. Oh look, the bus is here.
Finally, let's grab a seat before it gets too crowded.
So, did you hear about the new movie coming out?
Yeah, I saw the trailer online. Looks pretty exciting.
I know, right? I can't wait to see it.
We should totally go together when it's out.
That would be awesome. It's been ages since we went to the movies.
Yeah, we should definitely make it happen.
Definitely. Oh look, here comes the bus.
Finally, I was starting to get worried it wouldn't show up.
Yeah, it's been running late a lot lately.
Well, as long as it gets us where we need to go.
True that. So, how's work been going?
It's been okay. Just the usual grind.
Yeah, I feel you. Work can be exhausting sometimes.
Definitely. But hey, it pays the bills, right?
Yeah, that's one way to look at it.
Oh look, the bus is pulling in.
Finally, let's hope it's not too crowded.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
So, did you catch the game last night?
Yeah, it was insane. Did you see that last-minute goal?
I know, right? I couldn't believe it.
It was pure madness. I was on the edge of my seat the whole time.
Same here. It was definitely worth staying up for.
Absolutely. Oh look, the bus is here.
Finally, let's hope we can get a seat.
Yeah, it's been pretty crowded lately.
Well, as long as we make it on time.
True that. So, any plans for the evening?
Not really, probably just gonna chill at home.
Sounds nice. I might go for a run later.
That sounds like a good idea. I should probably start exercising more.
Yeah, it's important to stay active.
Definitely. Oh look, here comes the bus.
Finally, let's hope we can get a seat.